Welcome to Edubench Lite video tutorial. In the last nugget of the video, we have seen how to install the Edubench Lite software and how to start up with the software and the procedure to activate the software. In order to activate the software, you need to enter the CD serial key and the registration code. CD serial key is obtained on the CD and the registration code either via internet or via phone call. You can get it from the company. Once you enter both of these, you need to click the activate button, and on successful activation of your software you will be able to see this message, a message like this. Once you click on the OK, now as soon as you click on the OK, you will be able to see a wizard in which you are supposed to enter your branch details. Branch detail as in your school name. So you are supposed to enter your school name over here. For example, a school like Edubench School or Edubench High School. And along with that, you are supposed to provide an initial enrollment number, and it has to be numeric number. This initial enrollment number would usually be used by the software. It is basically for the software purpose. So you can enter any number in this field over here. As you can see it over here, this field. So I am entering 1000 number over here. Now click on the save button. Now branch information is saved. This is, you will see over here that academic year you have not entered till now any information related to academic year. So this software would be used by you and could be used by you for multiple years. I mean to say, you can maintain multiple years data using this software. So in order for a proper management, you need to enter the year, academic years initially, and proceed with that. Here suppose I need to manage the entire system, school management system for the academic year 2012 till 2013. I would be entering the field, in the field the value, and I need to click the active radio box over here and add it. Once you see this message, your academic year is successfully added, and you can see that whatever things you will be doing with the software is related to that year, that is 2012 and 2013. As you keep on adding the academic years, you will be seeing the list of values in the scrolling box over here. Once done with this thing, you can see multiple tabs over here. Each tab would be explained in detail to you in the related videos as we proceed with the nugget. Here's an administration tab, a student tab, attendance, faculty, accounts, transport, inventory, reports. Now first, in order to use the software, you need to create some users for the software. After adding the academic year, you can click on the academic year to see what all years you have added till now. You have two tabs over here, search and add, to add more academic years. When you click the search add, you can see the search. When you click the search button, you can see till now you are having information related to just 2012 and 2013 academic year. Now let's proceed with the second tab. The second tab is a user tab. All these tabs come under the administrator tab. Academic year, user, branch, standard sections, backup, restore. All these are under administrator tab. These are the basic functions that are required by an administrator to perform for for the functioning of the software. Initially everything should be fed in these. Now let's proceed with the user, adding of the users. These are the users who will be actually logging in with the software. You have initially you have seen that we have added an admin user, that was the default user. So likewise you can add any user. Suppose you have an user who is your accountant, you can give his name, and you can give the accountant role over here. Basically you have three roles over here: an admin role, accountant role, and a data entry role. If you are giving the particular user admin role, then he'll be having authority to do all the tasks, all the functions that are provided by the software. He can access each and every one of these, and he can perform functions with each and every one of these. On the other half, accountant has some specific use functions to be carried out. He would be used with the accountant accounts. You will be able to do the basic functions that are required by an accountant to use this software. So if you are to create a user who is to be using accountant features, you need to give the role accountant to him. And the data entry, with the data entry, the basic data entry functions that are provided by the software, if a user is to do that, you will be giving him the role the data entry. So now I am creating a user with the name Kiran, and he's given accountant. In the add, you'll be giving all of these, and in the search you'll be searching all these users. Now we have just an admin user over here, as you can see it. Now in the add user, I can give the user details, his mobile number, his address, and his email. Then here comes the role which I have explained you in the previous few minutes. The role admin or account and data entry. If he is given an admin account, he can access each and every function of the software, and accountant, the functions related to accounts that would be explained to you later in the sessions, and data entry, the functions of the software that are required for a data entry role. I am giving him an accountant role over here. Now login ID, what ID, with this is the ID with which he'll log in into the console. As you have remembered, we have given admin in the username as soon as the software started. Similarly, this is the login name that would be given by for this user for him to log in into the software and use it. Now I'm giving a password to him, adding the user. You can see the user has successfully added. Search. Now you can search according to roles. If you search according to roles, you can see only admin. Just there is only one admin who is gonna do the functions of administrator for this software, and accountant, just one accountant which we have recently added. So basically the persons who are gonna use the software, if you want to add those users, you are going to use this method: users, add, to add the users, and search to see the details of the existing users. Now the rest of the things we will be seeing in the next nugget of the video. Thank you.